In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. If you've recently downloaded and set up the new Threads app, which is an Instagram companion, you might have noticed a Threads symbol right under your name when you view your Instagram profile. This symbol signifies that you are one of the users who have joined the Threads app community, which has reached a milestone of 30 million users. Whether you prefer to keep this badge displayed or find it unnecessary, I'll guide you through the process of removing it. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device and tap on the profile button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Locate the Threads badge. Upon opening your profile, you'll see the Threads symbol right below your name. This indicates your association with the Threads app. Step 3. Remove the Threads badge. To remove the Threads badge, simply tap on it. After doing so, a notification will pop up informing you that your Threads app user status will be removed within the next 24 hours. Keep in mind that this badge is temporary, and your followers will be aware of that. Step 4. Choose your action. You have two options at this point. If you wish to proceed with removing the badge, tap View Threads Profile. If you decide to keep the badge hidden, select the Hide Badge option located at the bottom. Step 5. Confirm removal. Upon choosing your preferred action, a confirmation message will appear. It's important to note that this action is irreversible. Once the badge is removed, it cannot be added back. If you're certain about removing the badge, click on Remove Badge. It's worth understanding that the Threads badge is intended to be temporary. Meta, the parent company of Instagram, is using this badge to encourage users who visit your Instagram profile to also explore the Threads app. Their aim is to promote the widespread use of the Threads app through Instagram. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.